so today we're opening my Sparkle & Co. sub bag, but wait, I have a little teaser for you. So I like to do little giveaways if you are new here. So if you are interested in winning all the colors that came in this sub bag plus a few extras, make sure you stick around. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. If you are new to Sparkle & Co., they have a monthly subscription bag. There's a variety of different sub bag options, but the one that I subscribe to is the $29.99 sub bag. Typically, you will get either a bag or a swag item. So this month, in lieu of a bag, we got a super cute Christmas stocking. And typically you will get either 3 or 4 dip powders, 1 liquid, and then a bonus item will usually come. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So we got this gorgeous Christmas stocking. This was our bonus item, which is a pair of super cute, cozy socks. They say Sparkle & Co. on the tag on the side. They are gray and pink, and they are just cute and fuzzy. I love them. If you don't love cozy socks, I don't know who you are. They're just the best, right? And then this stocking is giving me life. A couple of months ago, we got a face mask that is made out of the same cute pink sequin material. So how cute are we now? We have a matching face mask to a matching stocking. It is adorable. I love this stocking. It is pink and furry. It's got the pink satin liner and the pink sequins. I mean, it is really top-notch quality and just felt really luxurious. I am super impressed. So let's go ahead and dive into the good stuff and see what powders and liquid we got. So first thing, you always get a cute little sticker. 'Tis the season to have glamorous nails, and of course it's blush pink to match. I am going to continue to say this. I was so blown away by this month's bag. Definitely my favorite that I've gotten so far. So you always get these cute little confettis in with your little gift bag. I mean, it just makes it feel like you're opening a present every month. For $30 a month, it is just my little splurge to myself, and they really make you feel just so nice when you receive it. So here's the card. We'll go over that here in a minute. So let's go ahead and open the liquid item. And this month we got Peel Base. So if you are new to Peel Base, I actually already own this one and I have a video on how to use it. So I will link that down below, but here's mine. I've had this for some time and barely made a dent in the bottle. And Peel Base will just let you pop your nails off without having to soak them off. So it's really cool. Check out that video if you want to learn more about this Peel Base. And then here are the 4 colors we got this month. Blush Crush. This is a solid matte color, or flat color, I guess I should say. You can do it matte or glossy, of course. And it's just this really beautiful baby blush pink. I love it. I love it. It is one of those great little nude, will just go with anything type colors. So pretty. So that one is Blush Crush. Next color, this one ended up being my favorite of the bag. It's called All That Glitters. It is so pretty. Doesn't it look just like the sequins on the stocking? I love it. Everything this month was so matchy-matchy and just so beautiful. So this is like a chunky, sequensy rose gold glitter. Just stunning. I cannot wait to get these colors on my nails. I literally just did this fall mani yesterday and I can already tell I'm going to be soaking this off soon. This one's called Holiday. It's nail day. And this is a really beautiful glittery bright fuchsia pink. As soon as I saw this color, I just thought, how cute would this be like on Valentine's Day? It's just a beautiful pink, glittery, bright shade. They just did such a nice job this month with all of these colors. I am impressed, really impressed. And this one is such a beautiful color too. It's called Glam Vibes Only, and it is a beautiful rose gold shimmer glitter. Just stunning. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. They nailed it on these colors. The last couple sub bags have had some wild colors, some outrageous colors, and I don't know, they haven't been my favorite, but this one, these colors can be worn all year round. They're just so wearable. It's so beautiful. So in addition to the sub bag, they have a referral program. So if you are not currently a subscriber and you want to subscribe to one of the sub bags, use my name, Amber Riley. You will get an $18 credit and I will get an $18 credit just for having me refer you. Then you can refer your friends and there's no limit. And the rest of this is talking about the monthly contest and that it's a swag month, so we got an extra dip and a stocking. Just so cute. So here is the bag. I am in love. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit and show you the colors once again. Isn't it so pretty? Oh, Glam Vibes Only. So pretty. Holiday, it's nail day. You have to say it like that. You have to. All That Glitters. That one is my favorite. Look at those chunky glitters. And Blush Crush. That is just a beautiful everyday color. This bag is just giving me all the love and all the good vibes. It's all so pretty. I could just watch this video all night. It's so soothing. All right, let's get into the fun stuff. Let's talk about the giveaway. Ooh. So while you guys watch me put together the items for the giveaway, I want to talk a little bit about my channel and why I do what I do. So if you are new here, hi, my name's Amber. This is About That Mama Life. I do nail videos, beauty videos, and skincare, DIY stuff. I even do some recipes. We do it all here, and I just love YouTube. It's a great outlet for me. I love editing the videos, filming the videos, interacting with y'all. Like, it is just such a passion project for me. And I like to do frequent giveaways to my subscribers because I really do appreciate y'all. And I want to show you how much I appreciate you. So if you are new here, welcome. So glad that you found my channel. Make sure you subscribe while you're here and enter my giveaway because I do a lot of giveaways. If you don't win this one, I'm sure you'll win another one. I have a small channel. Typically only have about 30 to 40 people enter each giveaway. So you actually have a really good chance of winning. So make sure that you enter this giveaway. And stick around, watch some of my other videos. I do a ton of giveaways because I love my subscribers and it's the season, you know, 'tis the season to give back. I love just thinking that one of y'all will open this package and get to play with all these nail goodies. And, you know, in a scenario where maybe you might not have been able to get the sub bag and subscribe to the sub bag. Maybe you don't have the funds, or maybe you weren't able to subscribe in time to get this one. Whatever the reason, I love thinking that I'm going to make one of y'all's day. So I appreciate y'all. Thanks for being here. Make sure you enter the giveaway. I'm throwing in some of those cute confettis and the sticker. I'm going to throw the card. This is a bag that came with the 80s sub bag a couple of months ago. It came with some really bright neon colors. Yep, there's the 80s sub bag stuff. But it's a Sparkle & Co bag and it's pink. So I just thought that this was just so cute to do along with this giveaway. I'm going to go ahead and throw the card in there too so that you can read up on how to get the colors if you want to buy them and a little bit more about the subscription bag. I'm also going to throw in that peel base. So if you don't have peel base, here you go. You can try it out. It's really fun to use, especially if you like to change your mani up. And then I'm going to throw in a sample of all of the colors from the box this month so you get to try them out yourself. All you have to do to enter this giveaway is just leave me a comment down below and tell me why you want to win. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel and give this video a thumbs up for me. Help your girl and subscribe. It really does help me out. And thank you all for being here, for watching, for being part of this fun fam. You guys really brighten my day, and interacting with y'all, it just means so much to me. So make sure you enter, comment below, subscribe, like the video, and that is it. I'll pick one of y'all to win this gorgeous giveaway. And that is it. So this was the sub bag this month. Again, I was super impressed. Everything was just so luxurious. Thank you guys for being here, for supporting my channel. Make sure you leave me a comment, like this video, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you all in the next video. Have a beautiful day. Bye.